I got about 1 million working Joes. Look, I made a quarter up in London, yeah. Then I bought 20 chops for the hood. Look, right there, tell you, I give him 20 if he catch it. 4-4, blast him, hit him up, then I'm passion. I'm popping, I'm flashing. The bitches love me cause I'm catchy. Bad bitch, sexy, she got the fire like a dragon. Look, big body, wagon. I remember I ain't had it. 21, I'm a savage. I got 21 in the carrots. Throw it, bullets, throwing bullets like a magic. See that nigga in the casket. The cheapest ring on my body cost 100. Yeah. I got about 1 million working Joes. Look, I made a quarter up in London, yeah. Then I bought 20 tops for the hood. My fault, yeah. My fault. But I'm back like I never left. So in this video, I'm going to do Bitcoin and Ethereum in the same video because not much has changed. Not much has changed since I made the last video. So here we are. Let's look at this. The short played out for a few hours. If you would have took the short, the 4-hour failure here on this failure, you could have targeted these short targets. We had a clean bounce off the 17,700 level, as we should. So now the question is, are we going up or are we going down? I don't have the answer to that question, but what I can tell you is what you should do is just trade price action. If you trade price action and don't think about which way price is going to go, you're better off. You're better off than choosing a bias, because when you have a bias, it's like when you're looking at a chart, you're only going to see that bias. So like right now, if you are bearish or if you think price is going to go down, when you're looking at the chart, there aren't going to be any buying opportunities for you because you already blocked that shit out in your mind. So just stay completely neutral and you will be okay. So for me now, or for us, let me stop being selfish, right? The trading plan should be, right, let's look at it. We got to put a new one. So, right, we're trading below this Thanksgiving downtrend, which is still holding up. We had that big sell-off on the day before Thanksgiving, down, and then still trading below what we call another sell-off, almost another $2,000 sell-off, right, from 19.5 to where we at, 17.6, so almost $2,000 dump, and we could continue. So the way to trade this is, let's see, right? If this is gonna move up, which is looking like it's about to, it's gonna attack order blocks. Order blocks are always magnets. So you're gonna have this order block here, which is a long target, right? So 18.8, 18.7, 88. Call it, let's see, 18.7, 18.7, 88. That's gonna be the next point of attack if we move up. So if we get a move up tonight, which is, I'll probably take this trade, to be honest. I just want to see how this 4-hour close in the next 50 minutes. If we get a close above it, I think it's fair to say we're gonna go back up. So we'll just see. I'll let y'all know on Telegram if I enter that. But right, so right now, between today, we should hit this yesterday's high again. Right, this is a long target. What's that? 18,600. Right, these are targets that are gonna happen today if price continues to move up. Excuse me. So we have 18.6, 18.8, And then let's see, we could take this wick right here, 19,000 and 19,200. Like, if you're not familiar with how to mark up the chart, which I'll do a video on how to do technical analysis, you could just write down, you can still profit and make money. You just write down the targets, right? So here, look, 18,000. I should put the magnet on. My magnet is off. 1 second. Right? So just do the exact, make sure these are correct. Make sure this order block is correct as well. I didn't use the magnet. It was, right? So we have there, here, and so for me, I'll buy a break of 18.6 is where I'll be entering. Because if we get an hourly close above 18.6, I know, like, okay, price is still trending up, and 18.7, 18.9, and the rest of these targets are going to get hit, right? Boom. Let's see, 19.1. So we'll leave it like that for now. But, right, so let's see. Now, these price targets are obviously long targets, so that's if price is going up. These would be the targets we'll look to take profit, or, you know, these are the targets that prices are going to go through. Okay, let's look at this on intraday. But we're still trading below this. We need to get above this. 18,360, which is possible. But we'll see. Right now, if you want to short, because remember, you're trading price action. Like, you don't even have to think about what's going to happen. Just, right? This would be your short entry. A break of this support here, right? This is where you'll enter short. And then from here, right? Short a break of here. Let's see. Make it red so you know the short here. This short a 4-hour failure, this might work too as well, because it already happened here. So you can short a break of 18, but it's just so risky just right now, just because price is moving up today. So wait until 18,273. This is where you enter short, right? Short entry. And then short entry, and then, you know, you target the purple lines for now. I think, yeah, it's pretty much, we're just going to trade price action. So below 18,002 we short, above 18.6 we long. Simple. Just keep it like that. Don't overcomplicate yourself. Simple. Now let's look at ETH, right? The shit played out exactly how I said it would. Let's look at it. I said a break of this trend line is a short. That was a savage sell-off. And then bounce back up, and now we're punching through the targets. Now, when I did this video, these purple lines were short targets. So being that price already went through them, now they're the opposite. So, I mean, now they become long targets, if you get what I'm saying. So now we should hold 560, right? We should hold this line here. If we don't hold 560, we shouldn't go below here. If we do, we're going to go down. But we should hold here and break back up. So you can long 560, target 574, 586, 599, 617. Above this monthly open, this is the money maker. This is the best buy. This buy is going to probably take prices to, where do I have this charted to? 750. So I mean, if you want to wait it out, because price never goes straight up, it never goes straight down. It has to bounce around like it's doing here, like chop around, go sideways, confuse people, make people lose money, right? So for ETH, I think the plan is still the same. For me, I'm gonna pay attention to this price action. I'll probably get in if we break 570. Let's see, long entry. I'll change this to here. But I don't want to confuse you guys. Long entry. So that I'm going to switch these to long targets, right? Long target. I'll switch them. Right? So, as I said, so we'll long 575 and then we'll target what's up above. Let me see. I have not looked at ETH USD. Let's look at Bitstamp. I want to see during bull runs what is the average dip for Ethereum, right? I want to see, let's see what type of dip we should be expecting just in case. So, okay, let's look at this dip. This is that first crazy bull run, right? We had dips of, this is a dip from 870. So the dips on Ethereum are 40%, right? What's this? 45, 48. See, yeah, they're like 40%. So this one's 50. It's not bad at all. Okay, so if we apply what happened in the past to where we are now, let's just put this in the airspace, Let's put it in the airspace. If we fell, let me get this shit out of the way, 40% from where we are now, that would put us at 360. So this is major correction. So if Bitcoin gets that 30% correction, this is going to come down to 376, and this would be probably your last time to get Ethereum this cheap, because from here is just going to be a shit ton of buys that's going to take price a lot further if the top is in right now. Meaning, if what's this? If 625 was the top and we won't get that high for now, we're going to come down here, and the buys that are going to be at 376 is definitely going to take us past 624 or take us past the last previous high. So, yeah, pretty much the game plan's still the same. Game plan is the same. If you want to short Ethereum, I'm not really in the business of shorting this for now, just because it usually just goes up. So, if you want to short Ethereum, you could probably, I would short a break of 547, and then target was below. Let's see, I just put it here. Break of this trend. Take the magnet tool off. Right? We're gonna put this here. If we break this trend line, you could short. I mean, last time I said that, you would have caught a fire short, so listen. So a breaker here will take us down to 494-ish, or into this green box. But I will for sure be buying in this green box heavy if we get that low. If we get that low for sure. But in the meantime, I'll just keep making bids every time I feel like I need to. If price is chopping around, I'm not going to make a video because I don't want to keep repeating the same shit over and over again. But if price is moving, expect more videos. But the last 3 weeks, the shit's been going sideways and it's not that fun. Right? So I will keep y'all updated. Bitcoin is struggling to get above 360. So it's probably going to fall down here. But we'll see. But I will keep you guys posted. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my shit with people who want to educate themselves. Thank you.